Hello friends, today we will see disk scheduling algorithms. Before going to before going in details the disk scheduling algorithm, we first see how your hard disk drive will work. Now this is the internal structure of hard disk drive. You are seeing there is one head which is on the disk, and this when disk rotates, these heads will get the data, or that head will read the data along the sectors and the tracks. Now in the diagram you can see the disk has various tracks, that is circular path is nothing but the tracks, and the track is divided into different number of sectors. And at the left bottom corner there is a cylinder of tracks. That means there are number of disks located on each other. So there is a cylinder of tracks. Disk scheduling algorithms. The operating system is responsible for using hardware efficiently. The operating system is responsible for using hardware efficiently. That means whatever disk drives you are having in your laptops or machines, that has maximum or fast access time and disk bandwidth. Now access time has two major components. This access times, how data can be accessed from the disk drive. That access times has two major components. One is seek time and another is rotational latency. Seek time means what? Seek time is nothing but the time required to go from one track to another track. Seek time is nothing but the time required to go from one track to another track. What is rotational latency? Rotational latency is the additional waiting time for the disk to rotate the desired sector to the disk head. Okay, rotational latency is the additional time waiting for the disk to rotate the desired sector to the disk head. So these are the two times or two terms, two major components which takes part in the access time. Now what is disk bandwidth? Disk bandwidth is the total number of bytes transferred divided by total time between the first request for the service and the completion of last transfer. That means disk bandwidth is nothing but it is the ratio एक्चुअली. न्यूमरेटर में क्या होगा, कितने नंबर ऑफ बाइट्स ट्रांसफ़र किए हुए हैं वो न्यूमरेटर में होगा, और जो जो डिनोमिनेटर है उसमें क्या रहेगा कि फर्स्ट रिक्वेस्ट फॉर द सर्विस टू द कंप्लीशन ऑफ लास्ट ट्रांसफ़र. ये जो टाइम रहेगा जिस टाइम पे आपने रिक्वेस्ट भेजी है और जब आपका लास्ट ट्रांसफ़र हुआ है डेटा, वो जो टाइम ड्यूरेशन रहेगा इन दोनों के बीच का वो आपका डिनोमिनेटर में रहेगा. सो डिस्क बैंडविड्थ इज़ नथिंग बट कितने बाइट्स आपने ट्रांसफ़र किए हैं और वो बाइट्स ट्रांसफ़र करने के लिए टोटल टाइम कितना लगा है. नाउ टोटल टाइम इज़ नथिंग बट व्हाट, कि कितने कौन से टाइम पे आपने डेटा भेजा है वो टाइम, और जो लास्ट ट्रांसफ़र वाला टाइम हुआ है वो उनका डिफरेंस जो रहेगा वो टोटल टाइम रहेगा. नाउ देयर आर डिफरेंट डिस्क शेड्यूलिंग एल्गोरिदम. FCFS, that is first come first serve. SSTF, that is shortest seek time first. Scan algorithm, C-scan algorithm and Luke algorithm. These are the 5 algorithms for disk scheduling. Thank you for listening.